Hi. Welcome to my short video Use Your Photographic Memory, ZOX Pro Training. Use Your Photographic Memory, ZOX Pro Training. ZOX Pro Training benefits improve your life in more ways than you imagined. Most people choose ZOX Pro Training to increase their reading speed. They soon find that ZOXing is more than a speed reading course. ZOX Pro Training helps make your life easier in so many other ways you never considered, including enjoy renewed health and wellness of your mind and body, simply by telling your mind to do it for you. Whenever you feel stress, your body is under siege. Decrease stress equals increased health and disease-fighting ability. Achieve maximum concentration. Enhance your peripheral vision and eyesight. ZOXing enables you to feel and be aware of everyone and everything around you. It's like you can see 360 degrees. ZOXing gives you self-empowerment. You will build confidence because you'll know the answers to more questions and work smarter. Reduce the amount of sleep you need. A more relaxed and deeper sleep means you wake up feeling better each day. Improve your self-esteem. Increasing information helps you increase your abilities at home and work. This leads to increased knowledge, recall and self-confidence. Be happier. Discover how ZOXing helps you improve your life. Our brains are unlimited, they never fill up. Add some more knowledge by watching this clip on ZOX Pro and see how you can gain access into the power of your mind. ZOX Pro Training takes speed reading to new levels and is unlike any success program on the market. ZOX Pro teaches you how to tap into your natural photographic memory. By exercising your brain, everything you do becomes easier. ZOX Pro Training takes speed reading to new levels and is unlike any success program on the market by tapping into your natural photographic memory. ZOXing enables you to conquer the vast amount of information that you must consume daily. This helps you perform better at work or school, feel more confident, enjoy less stress and have a more successful life. ZOXing gives you benefits in everything you do. Students, corporate climbers, executives, everyone can conquer information overload at 25,000, 50,000, 100,000 words per minute. With full retention for life. Most people choose ZOX Pro Training to increase their reading speed. They soon find that ZOXing is more than a speed reading course. ZOX Pro Training helps make your life easier in so many other ways you never considered. Enjoy renewed health and wellness of your mind and body, simply by telling your mind to do it for you. Achieve maximum concentration. Reduce distraction, improve your time management. Discover how ZOXing helps you improve your life. Click on the link in the description now to get started on training your brain and improve memory and concentration. Please click my link below for more details. Bye.